Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to hide your distance in Tinder using Tinder PC. Now let's begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. This right here is the interface in Tinder PC, and what we need to do initially is simply go to our profile. At the top left, here's a button like this that says My Profile. Simply click on it, and this page will open up. Well, from here, there are two options, whether to scroll down on the left hand side or simply click on Edit Info. As we want to hide our distance, what we need to do is simply click on this Edit Info button right here. I'm simply gonna click on it. Then this page will open up. From here, do note that you can add or delete your photos, add passions, change your height or relationship goals. There are lots and lots of options. It's completely up to you. But right now, we just want to hide the distance. I'm simply gonna scroll down. And right here, you can see something like Control Your Profile. But do note that this is a Tinder Plus feature. In order to either hide your age or distance, you need to be subscribed to Tinder Plus. Well, here's the button that says Don't Show My Distance. Simply toggle on this button and then your distance will be hidden. I'm gonna try to toggle this on right now, but do note that I'm not subscribed to Tinder Plus. And it's showing something like this. In case you're subscribed to Tinder Plus, it's gonna hide your distance. Well guys, that's it. That's how you hide your distance in Tinder Plus. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.